All right. Oh, I love it. It says, welcome to Team Nutribullet. All right. So we have the Do It All device. Here is your warranty card. Come on, colored instructions. Massive to-go cup with, oh, actually you can blend with it as well. Love that. Smaller to-go cup. Okay. The lids are here. Get out the nice massive blender. And of course we have the base. And this. This is to help, like, in case you push things down. This is my first time I've seen a blender come with a tamper. Very unique. You just take this off, and if you have anything stuck, you just stick that right on in there and blend it down. So that's actually a really cool function. So thank you, Nutribullet, for including that. You have both of your to-go cups. You have your 24 ounce and your 32 ounce. And the big pitcher is 64 ounce or 8 cups. Shall we test this bad girl out? That's what you really want to see, is how can it blend. So let's put this on the base. I always have guessed the twist here. There we go. Handle's always near the buttons, I see. Got it. 1, 2, 3, one more. 4. All right. Let's put the top on. All right, let's turn her on. Oh, fancy. All right, let's start with pulse. All right. So most of it is crushed ice around, but I don't know if you guys can see in between, there is some large cubes still present. So in case you just want to know, it's not going to be instant results, but it did do a great job of half of the ice, and half the ice is still solid. Let's try low blend. Okay. All right, pretty impressive. Before it crushes all the ice, let's go ahead and move on to medium. Let me make sure we still have some ice left for high here. Not really, y'all. I think that was pretty much it with that. So I'm going to go ahead and add some water so you guys just see how fast it whirls around. But as far as ice, low really did it, baby. Okay? All right. Again, I don't have to take the top off. Just add it right here in this hole. Okay. Should be enough. Now let's go all the way to high. I'm impressed. So I really do like this blender. I like the fact that the buttons do have texture to them, so you know what's going on. It has a very sleek design, dark gray, and it doesn't take up a lot of counter space. I really do like this blender. The measurements, everything on the side are very bold for anyone who has any hearing, for anyone who have any seeing problems or anything like that. So this is a winner in my book. I like.